Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to reset your LinkedIn login password. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you log into your LinkedIn profile on the web, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to come down below right there, click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on sign in and security. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on passkey. So go ahead and click on create passkey. So just enter any wrong password right here. Click on done. Then you'll be given option to reset your password. Go ahead and click on reset your password. Then forgot password. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead. Next thing you want to do is to make sure this is your mail. Go ahead and click on next. Let us do a quick security check. Go ahead and click on I'm not a robot. You have to match cars. So right here, make sure you look for cars. So click on verify. Cars. Click on verify. Then you'll be told to enter the code that was sent to your mail. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and open our Gmail account that we use to create an account. So here we go. This is the pin right here. So we go back to my LinkedIn. Click on the mail. Then I have the pin right here. I'll click on hold down. Then I'll make sure I copy the link, the pin. Then we have to go back to my LinkedIn right here. Click on here and make sure I paste the code. Then click on submit right here. Then you'll be asked to enter your new password right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here and enter your password. Go ahead and retype your password. Go ahead and click on submit. Your password has been changed. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on go to LinkedIn. It's as simple as that. So we have our profile right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your LinkedIn account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.